artists, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be drawing a cute avocado with a cute kawaii face, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do on my paper is I'm going to draw a curved line starting from up here. We're going to go down and curve it right here. This is for one side of the avocado. Let's go to the other side and we want to draw another curved line. Just like that. And I've made the bottom a little rounder and curver than the top, just to mimic the shape of the avocado. Now let's go ahead and add a little stem. And now we're going to go inside of our avocado and draw an oval. So let's start here, go down, follow the outline of the avocado, go all the way back up, and stop right there. Okay, now we need to draw the seed that's in the middle of the avocado. Let's go ahead and draw a circle right here. Cute. Now we're gonna go in and let's draw a cute face. I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle here, draw a circle here, eyebrows. And if I'm going too fast, you guys can always pause the video and go at your own pace. I'm going to draw a line here for the mouth. And let's draw a curved line here. Let's draw a curved line for the tongue. And I'm just going to fill in the rest of the mouth. Now for the eyes, I like to draw two circles right here, and then fill everything else in. So you can do the same thing on this side, add a circle for the highlight in the eye and another one down below, and fill those in. Super easy. Now all we have left to do is draw the arms. I'm going to draw a curved line here, go to the other side and draw a curved line. And then I like to draw a circle here for the fingers, and then he's actually going to be holding up a peace sign because we want to spread peace and positivity. So then go ahead and draw two ovals and fill them in. Let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Circle and two ovals and fill them in. That's basically the shape of our avocado. Now we need to draw the feet. Let's go down here, draw a line coming down, followed by another line. Do the same thing on the other side. And for his little feet, we're just going to add a curved line here and a curved line here. Go ahead and fill this in. That is about it, everybody. If you'd like, you can go ahead and draw some hearts. Ooh, I forgot about his little blush, his little cheeks on his face. Let's draw those. Super cute. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye, everyone.